Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a brand new trend that's blowing up. How to make a video by adding an AI girlfriend to your photo using Google Gemini latest Nano Banana tools. It's super easy, fast, and honestly kinda crazy how real it looks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini in your device and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, this one. This is powered by the brand new Nano Banana feature, Google Instant Image Editing tools that works just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. You can use any pictures of yourself or someone else. Just tap on plus button. And once the photo is uploaded, it's time to write your prompt. For example, I will type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then just tap generate. Okay, like this. The AI instantly creates a new photo where you're not alone anymore, and it looks so realistic and cute. The results are wild, still look so natural. And next, now let's make it even better by turning this photo into a video. Just download the photo and then go to menu and new tab and then tap on create video, this one, and then just upload the photo like this, and then just type a prompt. You can type a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just generate. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it.
Do you remember when we first met?
How could I forget?
Do you remember?
And okay, that's it. That's so insane. The video looks so realistic. In just a few minutes, we went from a solo photo to a full AI couple video using Google Gemini Nano Banana tools. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.